Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you all are having a beautiful morning. And if you is not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, please hit that like. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. I'm just walking around my garden this morning, getting myself prepared for all the things that I must do today. Yeah. To those that saw the Dollar Tree walkthrough, if you can remember, when I went to the second Dollar Tree, I saw a little planter that says Uma. Listen, guys, Uma is a beautiful young lady. She is from New York. Yes, she came here to New Orleans and we met up. Yeah, so I would love for you all to meet Uma. Please, I'm gonna leave a link to Uma's channel and a hashtag to her channel's name. Please go over and say hello to Uma. And if you like her channel, join her family. Alright guys, so this is my next area to clean right here. Now I have some brassicas growing over here, and if you can remember, these are the very first brassicas I planted this fall. The first ones that I planted, and I've been using this bed just as a little starter bed. When I needed more plants, I come over here, get a plant, and put it over in the bigger bed, right? And these are the ones that's left over here. So I'm gonna just let them grow, and I will use them in this stuff. Yeah. So it would be for the plants in the super juice, and that's what that is. But this is the bed I'm gonna clean. But not only this bed, all the way down. Yeah, all by the hibiscus. That canna, yeah, she's going. I got my trusty little 24-cent shovel. She's going. This is my Jerome plant. My Jerome rose here, and it's about to put on another rose right there. Yeah. Oh, and here too. So I'm gonna clean all of this. I'm going to take this little banana tree up, and I'm gonna put it in a pot. And I'm just gonna do one part at a time. So I'm gonna start with this part over here. Yeah, I'm gonna start with that one right there. Let's see how it goes. But as soon as I get all of these guys that I need, because all of them will not make it. I don't need all of these seeds, but I'm gonna get a nice bit. And then I'm going to clean this bed. It's just a little bed at the end of this bed. And I still have 2 cabbages growing. And I'm going to take them up and clean this bed, because this is going to be the main bed now. Yeah. And this is what's going on with the freesias. We had some very hard rain, and rain kind of tore everything up, but you know, they're doing good. And there's more about to bloom over here. And my broccoli, they're doing good. So I'm probably going to be taking that up to eat it. That's my plans. And I have more brassicas growing over there, like under the moringa tree. that's my plans for today. So I guess I'll get started with something, right? Alright guys, let's get started. But before we do, check out this basket of brassicas. I have just all kinds of goodies in here. Some Swiss chard, uh, of course there's that red cabbage, and I have, of course, I have some kohlrabi in there. Just an array of stuff in this basket. So cool. Very nice. So, just as many of my beds, um, the soil is very, very soft and fluffy. This one is also, yeah. So you can see it's just very easy to come up. And so what I put over here, I threw, after they grown, I threw some sugarcane leaves out here. That's this stuff here. All the sugarcane. Put that back there. I'm gonna leave it back there. And if it grows, it grows. And if it don't, it don't. Because I have some sugarcane growing on the other side of the garden. But there's more sugarcane. I just need it out this bed. But it's very easy. But I'm gonna go get my little hand tiller. But this stuff here is just so easy to come up. So I'm gonna get this bed together. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just clean a little at a time, one part at a time, because this is a very long bed. So I've had carrots growing over here. Lots of carrots. I've eaten all of them. And they were good. They were good. Yeah. Just get it together. But it's a little overcast over here today. But it's okay. The sun comes out every now and then. And I went looking out in the front bed, and my gladiolus in the front of the house is coming up. So I have to clean that bed. So I tell you what, let me share that with you all. Give me a second to get out of these gloves. Ugh, it's full of mud. All right, let's go see. This is one of our beds in the front of the house that need to be cleaned, but you see this? That's a gladiolus. Yeah, it's a gladiolus. So the flowers in the front of the house that is perennials, they're showing their way. But this is one of my banana pups, and as you can see, it's coming up here. But I had to put this little fencing around it because little Q tried to make it a playmate. Yeah, but she's coming back. Yeah. Now these pups are in the ground, as you can see that, and this one is coming up. And the other one, she is doing her thing. And all the trees are doing well, except I put this brassicas around this tree and left a root on it, and yeah, it's growing. So I'm gonna leave her there. I'm gonna leave her there for a little while at least. That was that fig tree, and she's doing good. And this one, doing good. So they all doing good out here. And I did clean this bed, but as you can see, yeah, she need more. But the flowers are coming up. All right, Let's get back. So this is my moringa tree with a little fat girl back there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, but that's the moringa tree. Yeah. Get out of the bed. So this is another thing I find in my yard over here. Oranges from my neighbor's tree. So a couple of days ago, I cleaned this little plant. It took all the yellow limbs off, and yeah, she still don't look good to me. She's still like really. So even though she's still making flowers, and I'm going to take this little baby up. Yep, I'm gonna take her up, and I'm gonna thank her. But I'm gonna take her up sometime today, but I will. She's a fighter though.